With the Shopkeeper Plus app, you'll have access to our AI Estimator. By clicking AI Estimator and taking pictures of your item, you'll be able to automatically send the item to Bravo along with a really great estimate of what that item could be worth. As you can see, you'll upload those photos and select the model from the screen. Once you select your model, Bravo will give you an estimated value based on the condition of that item. Then, by clicking Send to Bravo, you'll be able to choose Buy or Pawn and create a barcode that will allow you to send that item directly to Bravo along with the estimated value. From the Bravo dashboard, simply scan the barcode into Bravo from the AI Estimator in the Shopkeeper app. This will import all of the information about the item, including the photos, as you can see up top. Now you can enter the serial number, as well as any evaluative questions, and change the pawn amount if needed. By clicking Next, this will take you into the transaction screen, so you can easily and simply complete the transaction for your customer. And that's it. If you have any questions or you'd like to add Shopkeeper Plus to your product lineup, check out our Solution Center or our AI chat, Judy. Thanks, and have a great day.